All right, we got to go put a couple things in the outhouse. Come on, let's check it out. Let's get her done.
Yeah, it looks good from this direction.
It does. And it's probably still dry. And wait till it's like 1.5 feet, 2 feet of snow out here. I'll still be coming out trying to run the sawmill. I got to remove that stump over there that always looks like a cat or a skunk or something. You come out here and you see that thing over there and you're like, what is that? This is where all the animals are walking. Instead of on the game cameras. There's like a whole bunch of tracks in here. Who knows? Oh, I didn't bring my flashlight. We need some light though, don't we? I've got one I can turn into like a lantern. I'll grab that. The sun's down. So I didn't even think about bringing lights out. Like, hello, it's gonna be dark. Probably about 30 degrees. Yeah, that's not bad. But we're gonna need some light in order to put up these items in the Taj McPrivy. That's kind of funny. You're thinking, who cares? Hey man, this is living. You gotta have the comforts. Actually, Tim asked for some comforts in the outhouse. So I said, all right, let's do it. All right. Starting to warm up in here too. All right, here we go. Finally got lights. Sometimes I do an awful lot of walking back and forth out here. You really shouldn't. And with my back, it's never a good thing. Tim's over there putting the Wi-Fi here sign up. Folks, there's no Wi-Fi here. Don't fall for Tim's little joke. The things we do for entertainment. It's a Wi-Fi hotspot. Oh, it's hotspot, all right. Wi-Fi. Oh, you didn't tack it up?
I don't know where you want to put it. I got a couple tracks.
That's kind of funny, actually. I kind of like that. All right.
I'm sure you could have somebody else. Really?
Right. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so coat rack probably on this side over here.
Or.
All right, there you go. We've got got a coat hanger right there. So I already had that rack there. That's the rack for the stuff you need. And then we got Tim's cell phone holder. I was going to put Tim's cell phone holder on it. That's so when you're, sitting on the commode, you can set your phone down when you need to. And then we've got our lantern holder up here. That way. So, you could just set your lantern in here and now you can see to do your business. So there you go, folks. The Taj McPrivy is stepping up in the world. And now Tim's got to put his...
Do we need to put a drill through there, or do we need to drill?
It should have a hole in it. Or is it?
Is it sticky?
It might be sticky back.
Yeah, I think it's sticky back.
Here.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I was just going to give you the knife, but...
Oh.
Sticky back ain't going to work out here. Where do you want to put it? Like that? You can put it there. You can put it there.
Or just...
Yeah, you can put it like that.
So let me just down low.
Well, you got to be able to see it. We don't want the horses to come and remove it. There you go. There you go. All right. Here we go. If you believe that sign right there, I got a bridge to sell you. But that sign's right. The Taj McPrivy, folks. Nothing like having a little fun out at the cabin. taking care of business. Wait, that kind of came out a little wrong. Maybe it came out right. Heck yeah, we got some D-logs and some logs to mill. Yes, I will mill those logs up just like that, folks. Better believe it. Tim's picking up you got a light? Oh, you're getting some pictures. Well, you can take pictures in the daylight too. Gotta go stoke the wood stove. You gotta keep things getting warm out here. It takes quite a while to warm the cabin up. You know, you're looking at, 37 degrees when we were here. We had it up 14 degrees before we decided to do this. So it's not super warm in there yet. Might be close to 55 now. So, you know, I got to keep that wood stove going and stoke it up. It's getting cold out here though, folks. It feels pretty cold. I'm thinking it's easily below 30 degrees now. It was 32-ish when we got up here. And, oh yeah, I got to deal with those too, huh? Squirrel. Anytime you got these kind of fuel packs, you got to make sure that you release any pressure in them when you're changing elevations and whatnot. Okay, here we go. The old jar hedge deep. It takes several hours to warm up the cabin, folks. We might get it up to 70 degrees before we go to bed tonight. Sometimes I can get it up. If we stay up late, 10 or 11, I might be able to get it up to 72 or 3 or 4 degrees. So we'll certainly try to do that. And I've got something that hopefully will fix my problem with this heater here. I've got a baffle to put in. However, the baffle is in Chinese. Seriously, like, it's all Chinese. So, let me get my boots off. Oh, here we go. The baffle is literally that thing right here. It is literally, folks, in Chinese. I don't know if you can read that, but it's well, Chinese. So whether or not I can actually make that work, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, my glasses are all fogged up. I'm guessing you could probably see that they're all fogged up. That's what happens. Hey, but we're up to 61 degrees in here. All right, folks. Well, I'm going to call it now. I'll drop another video here for you to check out. I appreciate you being here. Y'all have a great day. The old jarhead out.